want to show you the difference between two kinds of electric motors. This is a DC electric motor, and I have this demo motor right here I want to show you because one of the important things about it is that you have electric current going in these coils that make a magnetic field, and they interact with some permanent magnets. But you have to have these things right here called brushes. So you'll notice that the contact points for the current to come in switches direction as the thing rotates. That's super important. That's a brush. Now, I really don't really care about these, but here is an actual DC motor, and there are the brushes. See, there's a bunch of wires, and they touch these points in here that cause this to rotate with the permanent magnets. DC motor. Okay, now let's look at the cool motor. This is an AC induction motor. I actually have this one plugged in. I'm going to turn it on. See, it turns on. But the cool thing about it is that it does not have permanent magnets. So we have in here some coils of wire, and this is just an aluminum cylinder that can rotate. Here is one that I have taken apart. So there's your aluminum rotator, right? It has coils in there. I mean, pieces of metal. And then you have these two coils that generate oscillating electric currents that create oscillating magnetic fields. And those magnetic fields induce currents in this to get it to rotate. Let me show you a quick, oh my goodness, a quick demo. My magnet messed up. Okay, so here I have a copper plate, and I'm going to put it on this motor just so that it can rotate freely. So here's my copper plate. Now I have a magnet, and if I move the magnet over the copper plate like this, I can get it to rotate. If I just stop it, it doesn't rotate, right? And it doesn't attract because it's copper. So it's inducing currents in here that interact with the magnet, and that's how that works. The same idea works here. So this changing magnetic field induces a current in the rotor that creates a torque. But it does not have brushes, right? Because this part doesn't have any electric current on it. The rotating part doesn't have current. This part has current in it, but it doesn't rotate. So you don't have to worry about the brushes, which is kind of nice. It doesn't have as much torque as those other kind of motors, but and it requires AC, but there you go. AC induction motor. Pretty cool.